Discovering Paradise at 7 Mile Beach. Welcome to 7 Mile Beach, a slice of paradise nestled along the shores of Grand Cayman. Today, join us on a journey to explore the beauty, tranquility, and excitement that this world-renowned destination has to offer. Seven Mile Beach isn't just a beach, it's a destination that captivates the senses and invites you to unwind in its natural splendor. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone looking to relax, 7 Mile Beach has something for everyone. Dive into the vibrant marine life while snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters, or simply soak up the sun while sipping on a refreshing coconut drink. Indulge your taste buds with the exquisite flavors of Caribbean cuisine. From fresh seafood to tropical fruits, the local eateries along 7 Mile Beach provide a culinary experience like no other. As the day turns to night, the magic of 7 Mile Beach continues. Take a leisurely sunset stroll with your loved one, hand in hand, and witness the sky transform into a canvas of warm hues. Whether you prefer a luxury resort or a charming beachfront cottage, 7 Mile Beach offers a range of accommodations to suit every traveler's taste. Wake up to the sound of waves, and let the beach be your backyard. Why you must visit the 7 Mile Beach. There are several compelling reasons why visitors should make it a point to visit 7 Mile Beach. Breathtaking natural beauty. 7 Mile Beach is renowned for its pristine white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. The sheer beauty of the beach, surrounded by lush greenery and stunning ocean views, is a visual spectacle that captivates every visitor. Ideal for relaxation. If you're looking for a place to unwind and escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, 7 Mile Beach is the perfect destination. The tranquil atmosphere and the soothing sound of gentle waves create an ideal environment for relaxation. World-class snorkeling. The underwater world surrounding 7 Mile Beach is a haven for marine life. Snorkelers can explore vibrant coral reefs and encounter an array of colorful fish species. The clear waters make it an unforgettable snorkeling experience. Diverse water activities. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or someone who enjoys water-based activities, 7 Mile Beach has it all. From paddleboarding and jet skiing to sailing and parasailing, there's a wide range of water sports to keep visitors entertained. Gastronomic delights. The beach is not just about sand and sea, it's also a culinary paradise. Visitors can savor the flavors of the Caribbean at beachfront restaurants and cafes, indulging in fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and local delicacies. Spectacular sunsets. 7 Mile Beach is famous for its breathtaking sunsets. The sky transforms into a palette of warm colors, creating a magical and romantic ambience. It's the perfect setting for an evening stroll or a beachside dinner. Luxurious accommodations. The beachfront offers a range of accommodations, from luxury resorts to cozy cottages. Waking up to the sound of waves and having the beach as your backyard adds an extra layer of indulgence to your stay. Family-friendly atmosphere. 7 Mile Beach is suitable for visitors of all ages. Families can enjoy building sandcastles, playing beach games, and creating lasting memories together in a safe and welcoming environment. In summary, 7 Mile Beach is a destination that combines natural beauty, relaxation, adventure, and culinary delights, making it a must-visit for any traveler seeking a tropical paradise experience. If you enjoy in this video, give us like and subscription in our channel to keep going. Happy travel!